Hello student, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. I am Gautam sir. Today I lecture again arithmetic progression. Continue exercise 5.3 and question number 13. I already discussed previous questions and previous exercise also. I continue question number from 13. Now question number 13, NCERT textbook, exercise 5.3, exercise 5.3, question number 13. Okay. Now find the sum of first. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. So first 15 multiple of 8. So 8, 16, so on. And here first term A and common difference consecutive term always difference 8 because 8 multiple of 8 and number of term is 15. Okay. Now sum S 15 is equal to formula you know n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 15 minus 1 d is 8. Now after that you do solve this question. Okay. Okay, now next question 14. A conductor 14 yes 14 is find the sum of odd number sum of odd number between 0 and 50. Okay, so odd number 1, 3, 5, so on last 49. Okay, you know that odd number or even number starting from 0, so half of the odd number, half of even number. Okay, so 25. So you already known, but in that case you find last term is 49. Okay, find the number of terms first, and 1 is a plus n minus 1 into d, a is 1 and d is 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 48, 10 minus 1 is equal to 24, 10 is equal to 25. So 1 to 49, 0 to 49, 50, total number 50 divided by 2, half odd number, half even. So 25 or 25. But in the exam purpose, if marks is given 3, then you will show it number of terms. Okay, after that you find after but 2 marks you can do directly number of terms 50 divided by 2 is also 25. Okay, now after that you calculate Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Everyone knows that is 15 25 term sum. So 25 by 2 2 into 1 plus, otherwise you can apply 25 minus 1 into d, d is also here 2. Otherwise, or you can apply, this is the simple way, 25 by 2, a plus last term, a plus n, n by 2, a plus n, a is 1 and this is 25, no, last time is 49, right? N 25, 49. So 25 by 2 into 50 into 50. 25 by 2 into 50, that is 25 into 25. That is 625. Okay. This way it is very simple, but if you forgot this relation, you apply these identities because this is the universal identities. Okay. Note down, you pause the answers and you note the answer first, then you move to next question. Okay, now you move to next question. Question number 15. A contractor and construction job. I don't write the questions, but I read the question and carefully listen. But you open your questions 15 from NCERT books. Okay, and contractor and construction job specify a plaintiff for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for first date, 250, that is in first term, second term 250, so on. Each succeeding day rupees 50 more. How much money contractor has to pay plaintiff if he has delayed the work 30 days? So n is equal to 30. Okay. So how much money contractor has to pay? We delay the work 30 days. So you find the case 30. Already you know the common difference is 50. So formula is n by 2. 2a, a is 200. In your exam purpose, at first you write the formula identities. After that, put the value of 1 by 1. So 30 minus 1 into d is 50. Now do this calculation. Okay. Understood. Now question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give each class price. That is 7 class price. So S7 is also given 700 because n is equal to 7 sum given. So that means 7 class price sum is 700. Okay, and student in a school for their overall academic performance, if each price is rupees 20 less than the preceding price, so that is common difference is minus 20. Common difference is minus 20. Okay, and find the value of each of these price. So that is very simple. S7 is also given 700. So apply the identities. 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is minus 20 is equal to 700, right? So 7, so now 2a plus 6 into minus 20 minus 120 is equal to 700, and there 7 by 2 multiply, you divide this here, so reciprocal of this, that is 200. So that is 2a is equal to 320 because 120 adding 200 to a is equal to 160. That is first class price is 160 and so on. Second is also 140 and third is 120 and so on. Because each class price is 20 less than the previous. So that means prices are 160, 140, 120 and 100 so on. Okay, understood? Now I move to next question, question number 17. In a school student through a planting tree in and around the school to reduce air pollution, it was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, section of class 1 plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 plant 2 tree, and section of class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will planted by the student? So each class have 3 sections. First class, each section planted the trees 1. So that is mean 3 plant, 3 sections. Each section has 3 plant, and second class has 3 sections. Each section planted the tree 2. So that is mean 6. And next third class is also 3 plant, 9, so on. Is so you observe it is an arithmetic progression. So consecutive term difference you observe increase 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is an AP and 12 section. So that means n is equal to 12. You apply the identities in total sum, total number of planted trees. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2, 2A, A is 3, and 12 minus 1, n minus 1, n 12, and D is 6 minus 3, also 3. So you apply, now you calculate, that is 33. Now solve this. This is the total planted by the student, total trees planted by the student. Okay, understood? Very simple arithmetic progression. Now question number 18, I explain. Noted? Okay. Question number 18, a spiral is made up of successive semicircle with center alternatively A and B, starting with center A and radii 0.5, 1, 1.5 centimeter, and what is the total length? You observe the figure. This is the from your textbook, and this is the line you observe here. This is the spiral 1. This is the spiral 2, and this is spiral 3, so on. Okay, so each and every observe, this is the length L1, this is length L2, this is length L3, so on. Okay, so on. So that means each spiral has a semicircle form, and each have radius. This is 0.5, another 1 centimeter, next 1.5. That means 0.5 increases each and every spiral, consecutive spiral. So that means you find the length of the each spiral, the total, how find the total length of the spiral. Here 13 spiral is given. So that means you first you find circumference of the semicircle. Semicircle circumference is pi r, you know everyone. Pi r. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 0.5, that is mean 22 by 7, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2, that is 11 by 7, and L2 is equal to, again same identity is pi r, but here r is 1, that is 22 by 7. Now find the L3, pi r, again 22 by 7, their radius is 1.5, that is 22 by 7. 1.5 can be as 15 by 10. Now simplify. So after simplification, 3, 5 and 5, 5, 5, 5, 3 and 5, 2 and 11, 33 by 7. Now you observe these consecutive terms, 11 by 7, 22 by 7, 33 by 7. It is form an AP. Form an AP. So common difference always 11 by 7, 22 by 7 minus 11 by 7, that is 11 by 7. You 33 by 7 minus 22 by 7 is also 11 by 7. So it is form an AP. So after that, you apply that identities also. 13 by 2, 2A, A is 11 by 7 plus 13 minus 1, 13 minus 1 into D is also 11 by 7. Now, after that, you calculate this questions, calculate this question. So, this is the final answer. Understood, everyone? Okay. Okay, now I move to next question. Question number 19 from your textbook, and 200 logs are stacked on the following manner: 20 logs on in the bottom, 19 logs in the next. So that is total log is given 200, and first 20 logs in last row, bottom row, 20, 19 is the next row, 18 is the next row, and so on. So find how many rows are 200 log placed and how many logs are in the top row. How many logs are placed. So that means total number of 200 logs you arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on 20. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 19. Now next 18, 18, 7, 17. So that's why you stack the log one by one. So how can arrange how many rows are possible? Uh, Arrange the 200 logs in this manner. So it is an AP. You observe here, their first term is 20 and common difference is 19 minus 20 is minus 1. So you apply the identities, Sn, sum also given. So now apply identities 2a plus n by 2, 2a, a is 20 plus n minus 1, d is minus 1 is equal to 200. Okay, is equal to 200. Now n by 2, 40, and now minus n plus 1 is equal to 200. So that means 40 n 41, 40 plus 1, 41, and multiply by n, 41 n minus n square and 2 here, cross product 400. Okay, now 0 is equal to n square minus shifting that side, this plus 400. Okay, now 16 and 25, 25 and 16, 25 and 16, 41. So apply the middle term, split the middle term 20, and you make 25 and 16. So 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. So n minus 25 and n minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. So either n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16. Okay. So answer is here. Either it is possible 25 rows or otherwise 16 rows. But it is not possible. So a number of rows are different in different cases. But you, in which answer is correct, you apply the nth term a16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. A is equal to 220 and 15 into d is minus 1. So 20, that is 5. So that means 16 row is when the stack is arranged, last row 20 and 18, 17. That means top row is also 5 number of logs. Okay, and number of row is 16. This is the answer. And now we apply again a25, a plus 24 into d, a is equal to 20, 24 into minus 1. So 20 minus 24, that is minus. Not possible number of log, the last row minus, not possible. So this is not correct answer. Only for correct answer is number of row is 16 and last row contain only for 5 logs. Okay, understood? This is very important. But you do this question and practice much more time, then you can able to do this type of questions. This is very important questions. Okay. For case-based studies, it is important type of questions. Okay. Now I move to next question. Now 5.3 is last question. So here given one bucket and here after 5 meter distance, keep the 1 potatoes and next potatoes keep 3 meter distance and next potatoes keep 3 meter distance and so on and so on. 12 potatoes, 10 potatoes. I read the question, bucket and dog bucket and okay, and computer start from the bucket and pick up the nearest potatoes and run back to the drop in bucket. First he goes to first potatoes and take it. After that came back to the bucket and put in the bucket. Next, same way from starting from this and next potatoes. So that is first quadrant is travel the distance, cover the distance 5 meter plus 5 meter 10 meter, and next 5 plus 3 8 meter and 8 meter return, that is 16 meter. That is first 10 meter, 16 meter. Next quadrant 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 meter goes and 11 meter back. That is 22 meter. Okay, and so on. Okay, and so on. Now, total potatoes are given. How much? Wait. Potatoes and 3 meters straight line. There are the potatoes in this. How much potatoes? Turns and drop in the bucket. Next potato and bucket in drop it, and she continue came until the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance? Complete the run. Okay. So how many potatoes are given? So I think 12 potatoes. For a bucket placed in starting point, 5 meter, first quadrant, second potatoes. Over 10 potatoes. Total number of potatoes 10. 10 is 10. So apply Sn n by 2, 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D is 6. That is the total distance covered by competitor. So now this question is complete. This exercise is complete. I move to next optional exercise. Okay, complete. Exercise 5.4 optional. One question is very important question. Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is first negative term? Is first negative term. The first negative term, right? So here 121, 117, 113. First term is 121 and common difference 117 minus 121 minus 4. Okay, now find the first negative term, the nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d. A is 121. N minus 1 into d minus 4. 121 minus 4n plus 4. So 125 minus 4n. So according to question, first negative term means an less than 0. Always you take less than 0. Negative. 125 minus 4n less than 0. 125 less than 4n. Shifting 4n this side. So 125 by 4 less than n. That means 4, 3, 12 and 4, 1, 4, 1 by 4 greater than. N greater than 31 point something, 31.25, but number of terms cannot be fractional. So next integer 32, 31.25, next integer 32. So therefore n is equal to 32. After 32, all terms are negative. 32, 33, 34, all are negative terms. So first negative terms is 32. It's very important question. Understood? Okay, now noted. Now I move to next question. This is also very important. The sum of the third term, third and seventh, third, and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8, find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. 16 terms of the AP. The sum of the third term and the seventh term. So A3 plus A7 is equal to 6. A3 means A plus 2D. A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 6. So 2A plus 8D is equal to 6 divided by 2. A plus 4D is equal to 3. Always in exam purpose, you take at first first term is A and common difference is D. After that you apply the identities. Okay, understood? Please remember this type of questions. Always you take first term and common difference. Okay, and you find here A is equal to 3 minus 40. I take this is 1. Now after that, their product means A3 into A7 is also 8. A3 means A plus 2D or A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 8. Now put the value of A is 3 minus 40 plus 2D, 3 minus 40 plus 6D is equal to 8. So 3 minus 2D, 3 plus 2D is equal to 8. A square minus B square. A minus into A plus B, A square minus B square. Because 3 square minus 2D square to 9 square minus 4D square. So 3 square minus 4D square. Because 3 square 9 or 2D square minus 4D square. Okay. Now 9 minus 8 is equal to 4D square. So 1 by 4 is equal to D square. So D is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. You remember, take care in this step, because maximum of students forgot take negative symbol, because when you square root of any number, you take always plus minus. But in case it is also satisfied, because common difference can be possible plus and minus also. Okay, but if n number of terms, so you take always positive, because number of terms cannot be negative. So here D is equal to plus minus half. Now put here, take 1 by 1, I erase the question. I think written question, otherwise you pause the questions, pause the videos and note down the question first. Okay. Now, case 1, when D is equal to positive half, put one equation, this equation, A is equal to 3 minus 4 into half. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So one sequence is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So A is 1. Okay. Find the sum of first 16 terms of anything. You don't need the number of terms. Find. Now you find A16. Okay, A16 is 2A, A is 1. 16 minus 1, D is half. Now calculate this result. Okay. Now second part is when D is equal to minus half, so A is equal to 3 minus 4. Put here minus half. Okay. So 3 plus 2, 5. A is 5. Now after that you find sum of 16 terms. So 16 by 2, 2A, 2 into A is 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D is minus 5. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, in this exercise, these two questions is very important, but 3 and 4 and 5 is it is also important, but case-based studies purpose, this question is very important. I explain the next videos, so you do practice, and your exam is running. So please don't waste your time and take attention. Okay, bye bye.